Hey there, pasta enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of pasta, uncovering the science behind why kids absolutely love it. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Pasta, with its myriad of shapes and colors, is a playground for the senses. Each variety, from spiraled fusilli to delicate angel hair, promises a culinary adventure. But here's the secret. Pasta can be more than just a tasty treat, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Dive into the world of whole grain and vegetable infused pasta, offering not just flavor but a burst of essential nutrients for growing bodies. Now, let's talk about the magic of cooking pasta. From measuring ingredients to stirring the pot, it's a magical bonding experience for the whole family. And what's pasta without its saucy companion? Explore the spectrum of flavors from classic marinara to creamy alfredo. These sauces not only enhance the taste but turn each pasta dish into a delightful culinary masterpiece. But pasta is not limited to the plate. Imagine the fun of pasta playtime. From building structures with spaghetti to creating vibrant pasta art, the possibilities are as endless as a bowl of spaghetti. It's not just food, it's a canvas for creativity. Let's embark on a global pasta journey, explore the rich tapestry of pasta traditions from different corners of the world, from Italian classics to Asian noodle delights. Discover how pasta brings people together across diverse cultures and flavors. Now, let's add a dash of science to our pasta adventure. Join me in the Pasta Science Lab, where kids can explore the wonders of simple experiments, from observing pasta shapes in water to understanding the science of al dente. It's a hands-on and educational journey into the world of pasta. Did you know that pasta has its own festive celebrations? Dive into the excitement of pasta festivals and events, where communities come together to celebrate their love with this versatile dish. From pasta competitions to giant pasta feasts, these events add a sprinkle of joy to the pasta-loving spirit. And that's a wrap, Pasta Pals. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more delicious content. Until next time, keep twirling those noodles with joy.